First off, it's like the throwing star of the fencing world, okay? The chain link fencing world. These things are magical. We all know it can happen, but what can happen behind you is sometimes a wind, a wrong movement can come through and knock all the chain link that is freestanding and knock it down to the point where you have to go and manually put it back up again. I think you would want to use one of these per about every 50 feet, maybe 60. Totally your choice. So we'll go through, we'll stand it up, and then we'll put them in. So you saw how much fun that is, and it's even funner when you have it standing up and then it falls down, and you get to do it twice. You're gonna pull the chain link close to the post. So you're gonna go onto the very top diamond, go like that. It's gonna keep your chain link from falling over while it's not tied, and it's also gonna hold it pretty close to where it needs to go. Another thing that you don't wanna do with these is you don't wanna put it right before the post. If we were to put one right here and we're stretching that direction, we're going to pull this banana clip right into that post, and we'll never be able to pull the slack out, or else we will pull the slack out and we're going to damage the chain link. So then we're going to have to come back and fix it. The other thing is, make sure to also put them after the top rail sleeves. Don't put them before, because then they can also get hung up on that. Mark has this one in the exact right spot that it needs to go. It's after the top rail sleeve, but it's also after the post, because this may not be enough room for that banana clip to travel. As we pull the slack out, it just travels right down that top rail. It keeps the chain link from falling down on top of you, and it also keeps it close to the same height that it needs to be when it gets stretched. It's just another hack of the fencing world, of the chain link fencing world. Simple, easy tool, kind of lifesaver. And I don't know if you've ever had the chain link fall on top of you. It's not pleasant. Very, very helpful tool. And if you're looking for something like this, be sure to see the link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, we are Wyoming's Fence and Gate Company, and you have a good dang day.